So this is orientation to data analytics. Okay. So this is my brief. I'm placed as assistant professor. So 5 most employable skills for 2022 and how you can build a career in each. So first one is cyber security, cloud computing. Okay, third is big data. Fourth is AI machine learning. Fifth is Internet of Things. Okay. Yeah. So this is just skip this. Okay, so this is actually data science process, how it happens. Okay. So in reality, raw data is collected. Okay. Data is processed. And then data set is cleaned. We do what is called as exploratory data analysis. Okay. And then we build models and algorithms, take decisions, okay, communicate, visualize, report. Then we get a data product, and then that is again put back into reality. Okay. Okay, so this is actually business intelligence. Brief about business intelligence. Okay. Okay. All those who are on Google Meet, can you hear me? Just say raise your hand. All those who have joined online, can you all hear me? Please raise your hand. Hello. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay. People have been joining. Okay. And so this is actually yeah. Okay, so these are all the softwares that we are going to explore. One is Excel. Okay, as you know, Excel is a spreadsheet software. Okay, which is available on Windows, Android, iOS, and all that. So this is a kind of report or a dashboard we can prepare using Excel. Okay, Excel is a very powerful tool, and there is also MySQL. Okay, and then yeah, this is how it looks like MySQL. Okay, and then we look at Power BI.
PPT is not shared.
Okay.
Screen sharing is not done.
Sorry.
Here. Enter screen. Admitter request.
ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, 100 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
100%. Sure.
Okay, can you see the PPT now? Can you see the PPT? Please respond.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, sorry, I mean, I was running the PPT and never realized. Okay, so this is actually Power BI. Power BI is an interactive data visualization software developed by Microsoft with primary focus on business intelligence. It's part of Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, so this is how a dashboard or a report looks like in Power BI. Okay, and then coming to Tableau. Tableau is actually a Salesforce product. This again is used for data visualization. Okay, so this is how a data area visualization looks in Power Tableau. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay. And then of course there's a software called NIME. Okay, so this is a free and open source data analytics reporting and integration platform. This is how the home screen looks like in NIME. Okay. And then this is yeah, Rapid Miner. Okay, this again a data science software platform. Okay, and then this is how it looks like home screen. And of course, you know Python. Okay, so Python and all is used for data visualization. Okay, so I actually believe in teamwork. Okay, so this is together everyone achieves more. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what I will do is I'll give a demo of Power BI, okay, and then I'll give a demo of Tableau. Okay, okay. So can you see this? 1 minute. Okay, can you see this Excel sheet? Yeah, this Excel sheet. Can you see? Yeah, please respond. Can you all see this? Excel, it's getting loaded.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the Excel sheet of a company called Kevin Cookie Company Financials. Okay. So Kevin Cookie Company is making sales in 5 countries: Canada, Mexico, France, Germany, United States. It's selling all these types of products. Okay. And so chocolate chip. Okay. Different varieties of cookies it is selling. Okay, chocolate chip, fortune cookie, oatmeal, snickerdoodle, sugar, white chocolate, like that. Okay, so these are all the units sold. Yeah. So this Excel sheet captures the data relating to Kevin Cookie Company financials. Okay, so how many units are sold? What was the revenue per cookie? What is the cost per cookie? Revenue, cost, how much profit it made? Okay, on which date, which month, name, year, all this sold was is captured in this Excel sheet. Okay, but then we don't have a what to say a dashboard or a report. Okay, so like this, we need to have a dashboard or a report. Okay, okay. So if we have a dashboard or a report like this, it's easy for the top management to understand what is happening in the company. Okay, and so that is the intention of this session, wherein from this Power BI. Okay, okay. So the Power BI, when I launch, it appears like this. Okay, so I will say get data. Okay, so this is a Microsoft product. And this is get data. Okay, so get data. So Power BI can connect to hundreds of data sources. Okay, so one of them is Excel. So I'll just get connected to Excel data. Okay, so I'll just connect to Excel. Okay, so I should connect to Kevin Cookie Company Financials. I'll say open. So since it's a data visualization software, it takes some time to get connected and bring the data to Power BI. So you have done any data visualization, people from 7th-sem ISC using Python or any other application? Please respond.
No, sir.
Okay. So there is something called as data visualization even in Python. But then this Power BI and Tableau is pretty easy. You don't have to do any coding as such here. Okay. So I'll just connect to cookie sales. Okay. Now I want to transform data. I don't want to load data as it is. Okay. So I want to transform data. Okay. So ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. Well, actually, I should have sent mail ID. If you have sent mail ID, I should have added guests. Then automatically they can join. Not admit. Okay, so now it got connected to the Excel data. Okay, so what I will do is here I will do some transformation. Okay. Okay, so say I don't want what to say, fortune cookies. Okay, so if I don't want fortune cookies, I'll uncheck and then I'll say okay. Okay, so then it is captured in this applied steps. Okay, filtered rows means fortune cookie row is eliminated. Okay, and then unit sold is can you see it is 4492.5. Can you all notice it is 4492.5? Please respond. Okay, so what I will do is I will change type. I will make it a whole number. Okay, so it has become 4492. So change type will come. Okay, now month name is actually here. Month number is there. Okay, so I want to make it as month. Okay, just the month. Okay. So it says rename columns. So whatever transformation we are doing, it is captured in applied steps. Okay. Hope you are following. Just respond. Okay. Hello. People, please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want to put back fortune cookies. Okay. So I want to put back fortune cookies. What I will do is this filtered rows is there. Okay. So I'll just click on this. Okay. Delete. So that step is deleted and fortune cookies comes back. Okay. So here you notice fortune cookie has come back. Okay. Now I can also connect to what to say, new source. Okay. Okay. So it see this. Power BI can connect to hundreds of data sources. Okay, it could be SQL, it could be web source, it could be JSON, hundreds of data sources it can connect. So I'll actually connect to a web data source. Okay, so this is that web source. Okay. Okay, so I'll connect to the web source. Okay, so Power BI. So on the Wikipedia, I have a page which gives me list of countries and population. Okay, and so I'll just copy this link. Okay, see, as you can see here, okay, this table gives the various countries and their population with various other details as well. Okay, so I'll just copy this and then I will paste here. Okay, and say okay. Okay. So Power BI is getting connected to the web source. Hmm? Okay. I guess I need to upgrade my hard disk. Going for SSD hard disk, then all this becomes fast. Okay, yeah. So I will select this table, and I'm not going to what to say transform. I'm just going to say okay. I'm just pulling into Power BI. Okay. So you have two tables here. One is cookie sales, and the other one is sovereign states. So this one I will rename. I will rename it as country population. Okay, so I'll rename it as country population. Okay, so now this is actually our primary table. Cookie sales is our primary table. Country population is actually our add-on table. Okay, now here I don't want all the columns. Okay, so this column I don't want, I'll just say remove. Okay, and then this column I don't want, I'll say remove. Okay, date column I don't want, I'll remove. Percent of world I don't want, I'll remove. Population I want, I'll keep it. Okay, region I don't want, I'll remove. Okay, rank I don't want, I'll just remove. Okay, so basically this cookie sales has data of cookie sales in 5 countries. Okay, with all revenue, cost, and all that. Okay, and then this country population has two columns. One is country and one is population. Now, if you see here, so many countries are there. Okay, but then I don't want all these countries. I want only 5 countries: Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States. Okay, so what I will do is I will remove the countries which I don't want. Okay, I'll deselect. Okay, I will go with only Canada. Okay, so I'll go with Canada, and then I will go with France. Okay, I'll go with France. Okay, and then go with Germany. Okay, then I will go with. Hope you're all following, people. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so recording will be made available to you. I'm recording on OBS. Okay, I'll compress it and it may take some time. Okay, okay, United States. Okay, fine. Okay. So now you notice that we have only 5 countries and their respective population. Okay. Now what I will do is, this is cookie sales and this is country population. Okay. Now this country population, these two columns should come into cookie sales table. Okay. So what I will do is I will be in this table only, cookie sales. This is our primary table. Okay. Then I will say merge columns. Okay. So I will just say merge merge query. Okay. Okay, so merge queries is here. Okay, I'll just say merge queries. Okay, so I will select this. Okay, I will also select country population. I will select this. I will select this. Okay, I will say ignore privacy labels, and then I will say save. Okay, so 700 rows of the selection matches 700 of 700 rows from the first table. Okay, say okay. I'll just say okay. So now you notice that in our cookie sales table, this country population also has come. Okay, so this is what we are interested. Now I'll deselect. I want only the population. Okay, so the population has come here. Okay. Now, so all transformation is done. Okay, so I'll just say close and apply. Okay, just say close and apply. Okay. So anybody in the waiting room? Just check. So once it gets loaded, we can see three aspects here. One is data, one is table, and one is model. Okay. Okay. So got loaded. I think. Yeah. So this is. Okay, so here you notice cookie sales and country population in fields column. Okay, so this is actually that visualization. So if we want to create dashboard or a report, we can make use of all these tools here. Okay, now I'll just hide these, hide all this. Okay, so this is a report. Okay, and this is data, and this is model. Okay, so we are not doing any model. Okay, already it has established a connection. Okay, so it has established a connection between cookie sales and country population. For our exercise, I'm not going to do anything regarding this model. Okay, so I'm going to go with a report. Okay, so report is like a drawing sheet. Okay, so you are given a drawing sheet, paint and brush. Okay, so you can do whatever you want on the drawing sheet. Same thing here in this report. We can build visuals with our data. Okay. So first what I will do is I will add text. Okay, so I'll go to this. Okay, I'll add a text box. Okay, so here I will type Kevin Cookie Company Performance Report. Okay, so this is the title I'm going to give. Okay, so I'll select this and then I'll make it 28. I'll say bold. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, now I will select profit from the fields column. Okay, I'll go to cookie sales table. So we are interested in cookie sales table. Okay, we are not now interested in country population because country population has been brought into cookie sales. Okay, so I'll go to cookie sales. Okay, I'll try to figure out what all columns are there. Okay, so I'll select profit. Okay, I'll select profit and I'll also select date. Okay, I'll also select date. Okay, so like this, we are actually building visuals for our, we are building visuals for our, yeah. We are building visuals for our, yeah. Okay, so here date is there. Now I can, what to say, trend line I can make like this. Okay, so I can make a trend line out of this. Okay, if I want bar graph, I can always come back to bar graph. Okay. Okay, so like this I'm going to build visuals. Okay, now I'll have to come out actually. Okay, I'll have to come out. I don't want, I'll not be in this box. I have to come out. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll select country. Okay, I'll select country. Okay, and then I will drag profit. I'll drag profit. Okay, I'll drag profit. Now I can select, I can go to what to say tree map. You can go to tree map. Okay, or I can get back to map mode. Okay, so like this I'm actually building visuals for this Kevin Cookie company. Okay, so based on the Excel data. Okay, so I have connected with the Excel data. Now I want to know the performance of the company. Okay, so these are all the various visuals I am building. Okay, now if you hover over this, okay, so in North America how much profit it has made, in Europe how much it has made, in France how much it has made will be shown here. Okay, now I'll do one thing. I'll just come out and click, and then I will insert a table. Okay, I'll insert a table. Okay, and then to this table I will insert country. Okay, okay, country, population. Okay, and also units sold. Okay, so these three I have inserted here. Okay, so this I will slightly mark. Okay, so this is one more visual I have brought in. Okay, now I'll come out and click. Okay, so I will insert clustered column chart. Okay, so this is actually clustered column chart. Okay, and then to this I will insert product and profit. Okay, I'll insert product and then profit. Okay, so I'll slightly resize so that one more visual I have to add. Okay, I have to add one more visual. Okay, so now what I'll do is come out and click. I will insert a slicer. Okay, so this is actually Okay, so this is a slicer. I'll insert a slicer and then I'll insert country. That's it. I'll insert country. Okay. So now all this is done in what to say, in my desktop. Okay. So hope you are able to follow till here. People, please raise your hand if you have followed. Just raise your hand. Hello. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we have got this visual. I want to publish this. Okay, so I want to publish this. What I will do is I'll just say file. Okay, and then I'll just say publish. Okay, publish to Power BI. Okay, okay, so it's asking me to save. Okay, so Kevin demo third Feb. Okay, so I'll do it like this. Okay, I'll just save this. Hope you are finding interesting. Please respond. Okay, so this I will.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll publish it to my workspace. Okay, I'll publish it to my workspace and select this. So I'll actually be publishing on the cloud. Okay. So if you want to download Power BI desktop, you need to download using college account. You'll have to sign up for app.powerbi.com using your college account. Okay, so your personal mail ID will not work. Okay. So how many have college mail ID? Please say yes or no. Like 1JS16 18IS 020 at JSSATE.ac.in. So that is actually your college mail ID. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I've already signed up for this. So it's getting published to the cloud. Okay. So here you can actually share, but then since it's a free version, I'll not be able to share. So, but then it gets published in the cloud. Okay. So my workspace. Okay, so what I've did, it is now there in app.powerbi.com. Okay, now if I want to share this, then it says upgrade to Power BI Pro. Okay, so I'll have to pay and I'll have to upgrade, so which is not possible now. Okay, fine. Let me see. I'll copy this link and share it with you on WhatsApp. Okay, or I'll put in the chat box. I'll just put in the chat box. Okay, so one request for those of us who joined late, can you please show the Excel file once more? Okay, Vijay, I will just share the Excel sheet. Okay, so people just click on this if you are able to open that. App.powerbi.com, which I have shared just now. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, so I'll be sharing this. Vijay, you're there online? Hello? Vijay, you had asked for this. The Excel sheet. This is actually the Excel sheet of Kevin Cookie Company. Okay, so it is making sales in all these countries, product, unit sold, revenue, cost. Okay, okay, so this is actually the Excel sheet. It has nearly some 700 rows of data. Okay, it has 700 rows of data. Okay, so any idea how many rows are there in Excel? Any idea how many rows are there in Excel? Please respond, people. Any idea how many rows in Excel are there? Please respond.
Dear students, kindly respond, be active, interactive.
See, I'll just go to the last control. Yeah, 10 lakh 48,576. Okay, so I'll just copy that. 10 lakh 48,576. Okay, so this is the number of rows that are there in Excel. Okay, how many columns are there? Any idea? Except the 16,584 columns. Okay, so it's actually 16,584 columns. Okay, so as of now we have 700 rows of data. 10 lakh 48,576 16,584. Okay. Okay, how many cells are there? Any idea? Okay, so it is still going to some other format. Okay, leave it. It comes to some crores together. Okay, so yeah, so this is how a dashboard is created. Okay, a dashboard or a report is created in Power BI. Okay, so this is a very powerful tool. Okay, so could you click on that link and open? Any, please respond. I had shared the link. Please respond. Hello. Please respond. Did you are you able to? I have put in the chat box. Okay.
Aditya Shukla, are you there? Aditya Shukla.
People, please respond.
Kshitij. Kshitij, are you there? So nobody is responding.
I
Mayurvardhan.
I know. Bhumika respond. Bhuvan. Hello.
Srivasu, Suhasi
Because I
will
want to
not
go.
respond. During exam time, will also not respond. Okay?
Because I'll go to the next software called Power Tableau. Say I just want to know whether you are there online or just logged in. Okay. Tisha Jain, are you able to open the chat box? In the chat box, I had sent a link.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could you open that? Did it show the report? Hello?
Hello.
Okay.
Actually, sir, it is asking for an email address.
Okay, don't bother. Okay, fine. So now I'll go to Tableau. Okay, so madam, I can continue, no? 10 minutes. Okay, Tableau. This doesn't take much time. Tableau. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'll go to Tableau now. So I'll go to the Excel sheet which I'm working on. Okay. I'll go to the Excel sheet on which I'm working on. Okay, so this is actually Excel sheet of World Bank data. Okay, so World Bank carbon dioxide data. Okay, so I'm actually going into the data cleaned. So we get raw data, but then we have to clean the data. Okay, so this is actually country wise how much carbon dioxide it is emitting. Okay, So that is captured in this Excel sheet. Okay. So this is CO2 per capita. CO2 per capita means, see, there will be some. Okay. Okay. So anyway, so Power BI you could not log in, but then Tableau Public is. I will share the link of Tableau Public. Okay. So that is published on the cloud, and you can log in. Okay. So this is CO2 per capita. CO2 per capita is, so CO2 is emitted in terms of volumes divided by the country population. Okay. So that is actually CO2 per capita. Okay. So this one we'll have to capture using Tableau. Okay, so we want to create a dashboard or a report. Okay, so I'll just say connect to Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'll connect to Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I'll just close this. To say, yeah. Okay, so I'll connect to Microsoft Excel. Okay. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet with which I am connecting. So I'll close all the unwanted applications. So Tableau Public you can download freely, but then if you want Tableau Desktop Edition, you'll have to give your college mail ID, college identity card. Through that we have to register, and you can download Tableau Desktop. It has more features. Okay, Tableau Public can connect to only flat files, whereas Tableau Desktop can connect to SQL and various other data sources. Okay, so it's getting connected. Okay. Just a minute. So once it gets connected, it will be fast. So anyway, no unwanted applications are running. Okay. Okay. So it's almost done. Okay. So the Excel data is connected. Now what I will do is I'll build visuals. Okay. What I will do is I will just drag the table CO2 data cleaned. Okay. So CO2 data cleaned, I'll drag and drop here. Okay. Fine. I will. So that table has come here. Okay. So now I'll go to worksheet. Okay. So I'll go to worksheet. Okay. And then I will drag country name. Okay. For country name, I will drag and drop here. Okay. Okay. And then I will drag CO2 per capita. Okay. So this also I will drag here. Okay. So some colors have to be changed anyway. Let's go with the existing colors. I will not change that. Okay, so I will rename this. I'll rename this as CO2 per capita. Okay. Okay, so I'll rename this as CO2 per capita. Now I'll open a new worksheet. Okay, so this is a new worksheet. Okay, so I will double click on CO2 per capita. Okay, I will double click on year. Okay, and then I will add country name. So this is how I am building visuals. Okay, change colors, I will not do that. Okay, so this one I will change it to CO2 emission changes over time. emission changes over time. Okay. Now what I will do is I will create a dashboard out of this. Okay, so this is actually a dashboard. Okay, so I'll create a dashboard, and already I have two sheets here. One is CO2 per capita and one is CO2 emission changes over time. Okay. Now this I don't want this. Okay, so I don't want this one. Okay, just delete it down. Okay, yeah. So I don't want this. I deleted that. Okay. So now you notice that if I click on a country, the map down, the trend line down doesn't change. If I click on a country, the trend line doesn't change. Okay. So what I will do is I'll use as filter. Okay. So if I click on a country, the trend line changes down. Okay. So for that country, the trend line is showing. Okay. Okay, so add text is there. Anyway, I will not do that. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll publish to the web. Okay, so file save to Tableau public as. Okay, so I'll go to the. Okay, so I'll sign into. Already I have signed up. Okay, so I'll log in. Okay. Okay, so I'll just call this as carbon footprint. Carbon. So this is actually we are doing how much carbon dioxide the countries are emitting. Okay. So this is 3rd Feb. Okay. So I'll just say save this. So it is getting saved in cloud. Okay. Okay, so I think it gets opened in Microsoft Edge. Okay. Hmm. So whatever I have done is shared in cloud, and I can share actually. Okay, so there is one share option here. Okay, let it get okay. So whatever I did in Tableau desktop, Tableau public is now in the cloud. Okay, so I'll just say share. Okay, so I'll come here, copy. Okay, I'll put in the chat box. Okay, so now you should be able to open this. Okay, so now you should be able to. It doesn't ask for. Yeah, yeah. So now click on this link and see if you can open. Just click on this link and just let me know if you are able to. I can also publish this on. Yeah, I can send it on WhatsApp. Okay. So I'll send it to Madam. Okay, I'll send it to Madam, and I'll also send it to ISC HOD. I'll send it to some students. Let me see if I can. Okay. Put in the group. Okay. So can you? Are you able to open this link?
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Visible, is
I
it?
just opened it.
Okay.
So we can see the graph.
Oh, awesome. So can you share the screen now? I'll stop sharing. So can you share the screen? Let me see. Yeah. You share the screen and let me see how it is visible. Share the screen. Who responded just now? Hello?
Sir, just a second, sir.
Yeah, sure, sure. Take your time. No problem.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Huh? No, she's sharing the screen. Oh, awesome. Okay, good. Rakshita SM is presenting. Pretty good. Okay. Oh, good. So it didn't ask like that. For Power BI, it asked for login, so it didn't ask. Okay. So now what I want to tell is, you publish in. Yeah, mute your mic. Okay.
Sir,
Hello.
is this visible, sir?
Yeah, 1 minute. No, you stopped. First, it was visible for some time. Now it's not visible. You have to go share entire screen. You just have to say share entire screen. Uh, Share entire screen.
You take tab, share the entire screen.
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, now.
Is this visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible very much. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so thanks Rakshita. Stop sharing. I'll tell you how to publish on the LinkedIn. Okay, so this will actually enhance your LinkedIn profile. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So I'll just share my screen. Okay, share now. Okay. So, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, so can you all see this? Okay, can you all see this? Okay, so I've already copied that link. Okay, so what I will do is I'll come to, yeah, I'll come to, yeah, home. Okay, come to home. Okay, so you can actually add hashtag. Okay, so I'll start a post here. Okay, so first only it asks for hashtag. Okay, so I'll just give hash Tableau. Okay, then some more hashtag I'll add. Okay. Okay, so what do you want to talk about? Okay, so add hashtag. Okay, so TABLEU. Okay, so add Tableau. I've added. Okay, so add hashtag. I'll add mm, carbon. Okay, footprint. Carbon footprint. Okay, so for now this is enough. Okay, so what I will do is I will copy that link. Okay, and then I will just say post. Okay, so this is how it appears here. Okay, carbon footprint. Okay, so you'll get notifications. Okay, so once you publish on LinkedIn, you will get notifications. Okay, so this is how it appears. Okay. Okay, so any questions? Hope you liked the session on Tableau and Power BI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so fine. So I'll stop the session here, but we keep logging on. Okay, so the next speaker will take over now. Okay, so I think ma'am will introduce the next speaker. Madam. Madam.
So, I thank Dr. Prabhushankar sir. Hello. I thank Dr. Prabhushankar sir for delivering an excellent session on Power AI and Tableau. So it is a visualization tool which is very much important for data analytics. So most of our projects nowadays is using the extreme data analytics for visualization and preparation purposes. So which is as far as required, it is for engineering students. It should be a must topic. So I sincerely thank on behalf of Department of ISC and behalf of Department of MBA Department and JSSATE. So I thank Dr. Prabhushankar sir for delivering a nice session over